In my previous day video, we have seen how to write vowels and how to pronounce vowels. Today we are going to see how to write consonant and how to pronounce consonants. There are 18 consonants in Tamil. The consonants will be called body letter. Body means mei in Tamil. Letter means எழுத்து in Tamil. The consonants, the 18 consonants மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் can be classified into 3 categories. Hard consonant, வல்லின மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், soft consonant, மெல்லின மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், middle consonant, இடையின மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். The hard consonant will have 6 letters: ik, ich, it, it, ip, ir. The soft consonant மெல்லின மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் will have 6 letters: ing, inj, in, ind, im, in. The middle consonant will also have 6 letters: e, ir, il, iv, il, il. Now we will see how to pronounce each letter and how to write each letter. This is the first 2 letters of hard consonant, வல்லின மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். Ik, ich, shock, ik, lock, ik, hike, ik, niching, ich, enrich, ich, sandwich, ich. The difference between ik and ich is, if you extend this letter till this, it is ik. If you cut the letter here itself, it is ich. Ik, ich. The next 2 letters are it and it. Writing it is very easy. You have to put one horizontal line and you have to put another vertical line, then you have to keep the dot. It is very easy for writing, and this is it. Now we will see the examples for pronunciation. Itch, catch, wait. With respect to the place where the it comes, the pronunciation will change. In some places it will be pronounced it, in some places it will be pronounced itch. It. How to pronounce it? Fourth, it, Smith, it, faith, it. Now we will see next set of letters in வல்லின மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், hard consonant. Ip. Writing this is very easy. Like that we can write ip, ir, tip, ip, lip, ip, worship, ip, ir, stir, irk, ir. Next we will see about மெல்லின எழுத்துக்கள், the soft consonants in Tamil. This is the first letter of soft consonant, ing, ing, feeling, ing, king, This is the second letter of soft consonant inj. Injection, inj. Injustice, inj. And I forgot to tell you one more thing. The first 6 letter, the hard consonant, will be pronounced from your chest. The next set of 6 letter from soft consonant, it will be pronounced from your nose. If you pronounce it, you can feel it from where the pronunciation comes. The next 2 letters of soft consonants are in, innocent, in, innate. See here, we have written INN. The reason is the pronunciation of in will be extended to one more second. So we have written double N, in. This is called ind, indron. Plinth is a very apt example for pronunciation of ind. Next set of letters are im, important, impossible, The last letter in soft consonant is in, intensity, in. Already we have seen one more in. For that we have put 2 N, INN. Here we have put only 1 N, IN. The reason is the pronunciation, the time taken for the pronunciation of in is 1 second. But the time taken to pronounce in will be extended to 1 more second. That is the difference between in and in. So next we will see about இடையின மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், middle consonant. This is the first letter of middle consonant, E, yield, ir, IR, ir. Already we have seen one more ir. Here also the time taken to pronounce ir is only 1 second. To pronounce ir, the time will be extended to 1 more second. The next 2 letters in middle consonant are il and iv, il. If you see these 2 letters, il and iv, they both will look like same. If you see the appearance, it will be looking like same. The only difference is this part. If you see this part, it will be like taking U-turn, but here it will have a fine structure. So appearance wise it will look like same, but there is a small difference in the appearance. Here the structure of the letters will have fine shape compared to this one. This is il, this is iv. Sail, il. Cocktail, il. Give. Last final 2 letters of இடையின மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் are il. If you see this spelling of il, I have put IZH. The reason is this is special ra in Tamil. So we have put the special pronunciation letters here, IZH. If you know any Tamil person having name Anbalagan, he used to write ANPAZHAGAN, Anbalagan. That ZHA means ra. This is ill, illusion, illiterate. Already we have seen one more ill also in the previous slide. The difference between these three L are the time, pronunciation time, and while pronouncing, how you use your tongues. These are the difference. We will see all letters together and we will see what is the correlation between those letters. There are 18 consonants we have seen now, and we have seen how to pronounce them and how to write them. Hard consonant: ik, ich, it, ip, ir. Soft consonant: ing, inj, in, ind, im, in. Middle consonant: இடையினமை எழுத்துக்கள் இ, இர், இல், iv, il, il. Here you can see that how to pronounce these three letters. Il. When you pronounce this il, your tongue will touch the soft palate, the front part of the palate. When you pronounce il, your tongue will touch the hard part of the palate. Hard palate. Your tongue will touch the hard palate. But when you pronounce il, you have to fold your tongue and you have to touch your hard palate. Il, like that you have to pronounce. And if you see these two will have more or less same pronunciation. Only thing is the duration of pronunciation. To pronounce this ir, you will take only 1 second, but if you want to pronounce this ir, the time taken for the pronunciation will be extended to 1 more second. Same way, in and in, this is in, and these three also will have same pronunciation like how we have seen remaining two set of word. Il, il, il. And if you see these two words, appearance wise it will look same, but only thing this lower part will be extra added. You have to write like this. La, il. If you write like this, it is im. And that's it. Once again, I will repeat it. Ik, ich, it, ip, ir, ing, inj, in, ind, im, in, ir, il, iv, il. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt regarding this video, otherwise if you find any mistake in this video, kindly write to us this mail ID. We will correct it and upload it in the next video. Thank you for watching this.